if you've got an Arduino and a board and you want to connect them together without using cables, wouldn't it be good if you could just have a custom shield for that board to go on? Well, watch this video and I'll show you how to get one made. Alright, what you're first going to do is get some of these header pins, put them in the slot or into the terminals as they would normally go. Now with this one, it's not quite a full one gap. Like if you see this, you could have put them across and that would go across, it would bridge them. But with this one, there was a mistake original in the design, and if you Google it, you'll find out what happened. But over this side, it doesn't quite work. It's 1/2 out. So just remember that, and we'll come back to it after. So you put these in. Alright, then you can stick it on here, and you can feel it. You push it through and you can feel it. Then what I want you to do is count the pins in between all the way across, and then I'll show you what you do on the computer. Alright, now this program is called Design Spark. It's available from RS Components website. It is free, so it's always a good alternative to a paid product if you can get your head around it. But this is just a trick. I'm going to show you how to quickly make your boards for this one purpose. Alright, so basically up here you can see components. Now what I do is I go look for these bad boys here. So these ones here, these represent your holes for your header pins. Alright, so you work out how many holes that you need to line up with and you put it down. So you put one down, so you go add, like this, bang, and then you just go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on until you get the right gap in between that you need. And then this right here, these outside pins, that's an Uno. So what I've done is I've laid them out and I've got the positioning correct around them. See this one here, if I take this one for example and put it here, you can see it's half of it away. That's how you get that one right on the Uno and the Mega. Alright, so that's how you can quickly bang them down, and then you can just line up your tracks. So if you wanted this one to line up with that one, this one to line up with that one to line up over here, so on and so forth. That's how you can do that quickly. In the description there's going to be a link to how to export Gerber files from this thing. Now a Gerber file is the file that you need to upload to the internet to a PCB manufacturer to get it made. Now I'll show you the results. Alright, see, now this is one I made. It's similar to the one that you just saw on the screen. The only thing different is some extra connectors down here, so you can see once I got it made with a bit of playing, lines up. Then you can also use that to help you solder them together. And then this one here, can go straight in. That's it. No need to use any of these cables. If this video helped you, consider subscribing or hit that like button. Either way, see you next time.